Hello guys, welcome back to Android Solution YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how we can add or we can use donation sticker on your Instagram stories. So basically, first of all, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store. Now let's go how to use donation sticker in story. So step one, you can see on Instagram, take or upload a picture and then tap on the sticker icon. Okay, so after tapping the sticker icon, there you will find a donation sticker on the tray. Search for a select non-profit organization, like anything you want to select, example you. So now what you have to do here, you can just tap it, you can change the color from this way, and then here just click on send to option, and then guys, it's pretty simple. I hope this video will help you out. Thanks for watching.